touch your shoulder and you will see only my head. This pen will touch your shoulder, you will see only my head. How are you doing?
Okay.
What's your name? Jennifer. What's your name? Jennifer. What do you see?
Your face.
Of course my face you can see. What about it?
No.
What?
Your head. Only your head.
What about my body?
I don't know.
It's weird?
Yeah.
Now the head vanishes, you will see only the body.